Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making broccoli salad. This salad is filled with fresh chopped broccoli, bacon, dried cranberries, onion, sunflower seeds, and this version has a little bit of cheese in it as well. The dressing is a wonderful mayonnaise-based sweet and sour that really makes this salad. I use this salad in meal prep because it keeps so well in the refrigerator several days, and it's almost better the second or third day. Let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. Fresh broccoli, dried cranberries, salted sunflower kernels, red onion, shredded cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, bacon, mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, and sour cream. I'm just going to start by giving my broccoli florets a quick rinse. Now you want about a pound of broccoli florets. Now I put my washed broccoli back in a bowl with a paper towel on the bottom. I just want to blot as much as I can. You don't want really wet broccoli going into this salad. And I'm just going to take this and trim it just a little bit more and cut into a little bit smaller pieces. If you bring this salad and you're feeding, a varied age range group, sometimes the smaller pieces are better for the older folks to chew. Now I know this is a very popular salad in the Midwest, but if you grew up eating this salad, let me know in the comments below how you like your salad. Do you have it with cheese or not? Do you have it with fresh grapes? I've seen a lot of different variations for this salad, so I'd be interested to know how traditionally you like this salad. And I don't think there's a right or wrong way for this salad. It's just what your preferences are. Okay, next I'm going to chop up a red onion. I have a half of a medium red onion. And I'm going to cut them in fairly small dices, almost a minced onion. That's probably about a half of a cup. Next I have 8 pieces of bacon, and I buy that Kirkland kind of pre-cooked bacon, but it still needs to be crisped up a little bit. So I have 8 pieces and I'm going to crisp it up in the microwave. Okay, I cooked the bacon in 30-second intervals in the microwave just to get it to the crispiness that I like. And I really encourage you to use actual bacon and not the canned bacon bits for this recipe. It really makes a big difference. So I'm just going through and chopping them into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now we can start mixing up our salad. So we've got our broccoli florets in there that have been washed, trimmed, and cut into smaller pieces. I'm going to add in my onion. That's red onion. It amounts to a half of a medium onion, or about a half a cup of minced red onion. You want 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You want 2/3 of a cup of dried cranberries. I just used the Craisins brand. You want a half a cup of salted roasted sunflower kernels. And 8 slices of chopped, cooked, crispy bacon. Just give that a stir. It's already a really pretty salad. Okay, now I'm going to mix up the dressing. You want 3/4 cup of mayo, and you can use whatever mayonnaise you like. You want 1/4 cup of sour cream. You could also use Greek yogurt, or you could leave the sour cream out altogether and just use mayonnaise. If you're just using mayonnaise, then use 1 cup of mayonnaise in total. I just realized I forgot to put sugar in the ingredient lineup, but you'll need 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of some kind of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You could use white wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, whatever you have on hand, or even just white vinegar. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just going to whisk that together and give that a little taste for seasoning. Oh, that's good. And then you just pour it over the salad. Just give it a good stir. Now you could serve this right away, but for best results, it should be in the refrigerator, marinating in that dressing for at least an hour. Now here's a close-up of the broccoli salad. Isn't that beautiful? You can see all of the essential ingredients in there. The broccoli, onions, the bacon, the cheese, that wonderful sweet and sour dressing, and the nuttiness of the sunflower seeds. Okay, I'm going to give this salad a try. It looks really good. Oh yeah, that's really good. The crunchiness of the broccoli, the chewy sweetness of the cranberries in there, the richness of the cheese, and then the sweet and sour of the dressing, a little bit of crunch and saltiness from the bacon and the sunflower seeds. This is a real winner. This salad will keep for several days in the refrigerator, so that makes it wonderful for lunches, for meal prep. Really, really good. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made broccoli salad. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and check out some of my playlists. I've got a soups and salads playlist, appetizers, what's for dinner, and several more. We'll see you next time.